Alright guys, welcome to the video. So here's the outfit of the day. As you know, I'm cleaning, or I'm helping people help me clean. Look at this. This is, you guys maybe, if you guys saw this on Instagram, I'm kind of drifting away from Instagram. I'm just getting burned out on it. It's too many commercials. So I'm kind of just hanging out on YouTube. I'm just kind of tired of Instagram because it's too many commercials. It's just like too many commercials and like abusive stuff. Like, I mean, I got a thick skin, but okay, I don't know how to do this. We're trying to take apart the microwave. Here, let's try this. Okay, yeah, so, yeah, I got the high voltage probe. Yeah, real quick, I'm just drifting away from Instagram because it's just like too many commercials. They show me commercials, advertisements, like every third post is an advertisement, okay? And I'm not making any money or anything. I miss the people on there, but anyway, I'm just gonna stick with YouTube, and I'm drifting away from all my other media too. Just make YouTube videos, which aren't even that great, but there's room for improvement. So look at this thing, you guys. Guess what? Whoever knows what this is, go ahead and put a comment down below. Okay, so now this, they do not want us to take apart this microwave. They do not want us to take apart the microwave, you guys, because, okay, so it has to have a star focus. You guys know what this is. It's the star one with the thing inside it. So, yeah. So, I'm confined to the bathroom because we're doing some cleaning. So this is a Farberware microwave oven household model number. Well, you know, instead of doing that, instead of reading it, why don't we just show you the picture? Okay. Yeah, I hope you're seeing it because I can't tell if you're seeing it. Well, Green Bay, Wisconsin. I have family up there in Green Bay. So, August 2019. I hope that's, I can't tell if that's even coming in. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's terrible. I got the tablet, but it's okay. This isn't bad. So I'm confined in here because of the cleaning process. So yeah, so look at this. It's not really nice. Put you on the toilet. Okay, it's just falling over. Let's just try and put it over here. I really need to just stop making videos, you guys. I'm sorry. This is I can't get the camera to work. I just can't get the camera to work. And I refuse to edit my videos, so it's just trash. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's get this microwave apart. I wanted to take this apart for a long time. And I tried to turn it on and it didn't work. Oh, hey, that actually works. I guess you have to waste 5 minutes. I guess you could always fast forward it. You know, that's what people do. I get so impatient with videos that I turn them on faster. I jack up the speed or I skip along. So I guess, you know, I'll just make the video and somebody can download it and edit it or something. I don't care. Or just not. Or just skip to the good parts. Okay, yeah, this is tough to get. But this little screwdriver, which is really cool, and I've seen other people have these, this is like one of the best things to get. This has the coolest, like this has so many things. I got this at Best Buy, but you could probably get it anywhere. But it has really good tools. So, yeah. So where did I get this microwave? My boyfriend hates it because, like, as we're driving along, I'll see stuff in the trash and I'll want it. He's cut me off basically because, as you know, if you followed the other video, they're doing an inspection. I really should just, like, you guys know what I should do? I should live out in the country. Live out in the country beyond the city boundary, beyond the city limits, and I could just junk up and get like 10 acres in a pond. I'll probably fall in the pond. No pond, no water. Get 10 acres and just collect everything, like all electronic stuff that I find. But instead I live in a small little apartment in Indianapolis, which, okay. Yeah, I don't have to go over my whole story. You guys know. My nose is just running. It's terrible. Like, I think, I figured it out. Because we're cleaning, and my knee hurts. Like, it's like, I can usually get on my knees for a long time, but something is like hitting that right in the bad spot. Okay, but what I was gonna say is, yeah, it's because we're moving. See, this is why I don't want to, like, move everything, because it stirs up all this dust. Leave everything alone. I know where everything is. Now all my stuff, half of my stuff is gone, and then we're gonna find it. It's sad, but I'm not gonna complain because it's my fault, because I should have got a nice old Victorian house with an attic and a basement in a 1 acre and just live there by myself and junk it up. And then nobody would bother me. Until the city comes and says, "What are you up to, trans person?" and then arrest me, and I start throwing rocks at the cops, and then I'm in jail, and then I start making meth, and then I am living under a bridge. Why is this not coming? Okay. It's not too bad on the inside, but okay, so yeah. We're switching over to the other screws. I guess that's the Phillips. And I have all my tools here. It took me forever to find the tools. Look at this. I got this long ass thing. I got this long ass thing for something. What was I doing? Look at this. Have you guys seen ones like this? I think I got this at, it's Toko. It sounds Japanese. But yeah, I got these. Where did I get these? Did I get these off Amazon? Or Menards? I think I was trying to do something on the car. This definitely looks like something. This is not really, maybe X-Ray Tony B would use something like this to fix his X-ray equipment. I'm sure you have to have some really interesting tools to kind of get into X-ray equipment, like long stuff like this. Not only because they don't want people to, pry it apart, but the machines are probably so, or if you ever worked in a factory, I worked in a factory years ago, like 25 years ago, where they did injection molding. Sorry, I had the sniffle. I'm having the sniffles. Having a case of the sniffles. Okay, so there's one screw there. Whatever. Yeah, so years ago, 25 years ago, I worked in an injection molding place. So you could imagine screwdrivers like this, but I have never seen, like, in all my whole life until I got this. Like, this is, like, I don't need to use this now. I'm being funny. But, yeah, so, like, this is really good for a car because, well, I mean, why would a car have these little Phillips? No, you need them on a car. because they always have those really recessed things, and I'm like, look how long this is. It wasn't even that much, and it looks like it has a, where they do the tip, and it's, I don't want to say it's titanium, but you can tell it's oh, whatever. Okay, you can tell it's like hardened. It's not the, and it feels really solid, but it's actually like the right size for this. So you know, if you could use all kinds of different screwdrivers on this, but when you're getting it to connect the most, you're getting, is it, I don't know, the physics people will correct me, you're getting the most fulcrum, like it's not a fulcrum, but a screw is, I remember watching the History Channel, and a screw is an inclined plane. So, you know, they probably had aliens build the pyramids, of course, we all know that, but they used inclined planes to move. You know, you can get a huge mechanical advantage, but a screw is like that. And I think it was the History Channel, and it used like water going down a screw to turn a wheel, and then maybe it ground maize or something, or this is probably in the 1300s or something, maybe before that. But they probably used that in the 1300s, all the monks. Well, they were making wine and molesting. No, just kidding. Yeah, so let's see here. Oh, there we go. That did something. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I was going to look for gloves to put on. Working in this confined space and turning on the high voltage probably isn't a good idea. I was going to do this outside, where on the concrete, but we probably won't. I wanted to test it because I do have my high voltage probe, and this will measure up to 40 kilovolts DC. This is AC, and it will measure up to 28 kilovolts. And then you just like hook it up to this. You guys all know this stuff. Okay. So let's see here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Those, I just love those microwave high voltage transformers. Like, okay, I don't want to damage my parts here. I want you guys to see the goodies that we have in here. Oh, I love these transformers. I have like about 5 of them, so now I have 6. Okay, so there's a screw on the side that I missed that's holding this together, and of course it's the other screw. Oh my gosh, they have so much fun. See, this is probably the electronics job I didn't get. No, this is probably just put together by people that don't know anything about electronics, but you know, they know what's inside a microwave. They're probably underage people in China or something. The Uyghurs. No, they don't even let the Uyghurs do that. Okay, so, okay, I should just probably cut this. Even though I don't like to cut. No, I don't want to cut. I don't want to cut. We don't need to cut. Oh, there's the magnetron in there. Oh, it makes me so happy. Okay, and then here's the little motor. These have the same parts in them. Like, oh, look at this. I can get on top of it. Okay, I can get on top of it and get this stuff out. We're having fun. We're having fun. I don't think I want to cut any of those. So, wow, and the windings on this look really good. See, this one it's not really beat up. You know, I think they just had it for a little bit and it probably just stopped. I tried to turn it on and the light worked. And I think it turned around, but something you know, it would be very interesting to find out exactly what happened. It's probably, you know, what probably happens is, this is me speculating. Two things happen to microwaves, and I'm not an expert at all. One, the high voltage winding burns out. I don't think the magnetron you'd ever get to the point where that would be damaged. Unless you had, you know, an American one and maybe you plugged it in for a second into a European one or something, I don't know. Or if there was a lightning strike around your house and maybe it would fry the magnetron. I doubt it. So, okay, back to what my speculation. The speculation is either the control panel goes that has the timer on it and controls the, you know, controls like activates. It's probably a relay that activates the high voltage and the magnetron. It's a relay, so it's all, you know, probably controlled by 5 volts or something. So it's, I think this is my speculation, that either in these will go is maybe the high voltage winding gets shorted out, or the control panel, a surface mount cap, or a resistor, or an IC probably an IC just fails. Because I know these can take a lot of abuse. Now, I've been told that a lot of times this is an AC capacitor, and I've been told that a lot of times on outside AC units, that a lot of times all that goes wrong is those caps. So you can just, you know, get one of these motor start caps, and that's what really gets worn out on your outside air conditioner. So of course you pay the guy to come over and take it apart and just change that capacitor, and then you pay $300 for your... See, that's why you guys, Lewis Rossman would be happy. We should fix our own stuff. Now, of course, yeah, you're not going to fix your 1080p TV when you can go and easily get a 4K TV. Now there's 8K TVs, and the 4K TVs are ridiculously cheap. You know, we have a 55-inch one, and then I have like a 38-inch one in my room, and they were a couple $100 a little bit ago, but now they're ridiculously cheap. But I mean, do you opt for the, you know, while everybody was buying VHS, did you get a laser disc, you know? While everybody was getting CDs, did you get back into tapes? And oh, by the way, my car, I'm sorry, I'm just going on. My Volkswagen has a 6 CD changer in it. It has AM/FM radio, of course, but it also has a tape deck. And I found a bunch of tapes near a dumpster. One of them's like Elvis, and one of them's like, it's like just this 40s stuff. And then I found a bunch of mixtapes, and I'm like listening to them. One's like this Mexican hip hop, but some of them were blank, and some of them were religious stuff. And I could just tape over it or listen to it for inspiration. Maybe I'll be a happier person. Okay, so yeah, so let's unplug this. Okay, so that's what's on the magnetron. So the magnetron, it's very, like, I need to find out how it works, because I am gonna make my magnetron gun. So it has a heater on it, so I'm guessing the base of it is grounded, and one of these goes to the heater, and then one is the 5 kilovolts. So I don't know, but I'll Google it, and I'm not going to hook it up without knowing that. But you have the base that is grounded, but you also have to have the heater, and then you have the, you know, roughly 5 kilovolts DC. So I need to make my DC power supply, but I need to hook it up right. And I want to make it like, I want to have, this is my envision for it. It'll be a microwave gun that you can hold. You'll turn on a switch, you'll turn on the heater, and I want to have, like I have on my laser gun, it'll show the current on that. I want to see that current for that, and I might need to put like a 10 ohm resistor and dial it up, and maybe put like an extra couple batteries. You know, I want to use those vape batteries. So maybe, I don't know, those might burn out a little potentiometer. I don't know. That's going to be a big project, but I already have like 4 other projects I'm trying to do. So, okay, so let's just try to get this off. So there's plugs in here. Plugs. Plugs, not drugs. Okay, that's not going to come off. Okay, we need to do more screws off. But this is, I'm sorry I'm talking so loud, it's echoing. It's making my voice like really deep and nuts. It sucks. Okay, so let's see here. So yeah, let's get this off. This is in good condition. This is a good condition right here. This is really clean inside. You know, some of them are trash. Like, look at that. Okay, so it was from 2019. But, like, it's so clean. Is there a date code on this? Ninjabo, China. 1 microfarad, plus or minus. Oh, there's a date code. Wow, you guys. 10/85/21. So, what the heck? No, I'm making it too complicated. 2021. It doesn't make sense. 85th week? There's no 85. What? That's gotta be the date code. It couldn't be 1985. No. 10/85/21. 10th? Whatever. Okay, does this have a date code on it? Just frustrated. My nose is running. This is a terrible angle. This should have something on it. I bet if you kind of put these numbers in there, but this has, usually these have the watts on them. That's interesting, this doesn't. It's got to be on there somewhere. That's very important. That's very important. It's got to have the watts on there. I have people here to take me to the hospital if I. Well, I mean, it would probably be fatal if I. It's probably, obviously, it's not a good idea to hook it up with all this crap around here and the plugs up there. I wanted to do outside, so maybe we'll have to do a part 2 on this. But let's just get this stuff out of here because this is, oh my God, 23 minutes. I'm sorry, you guys. Here, let's just get this stuff out of here. Let's just get this stuff out of here, and then we'll go outside and test it because I don't feel confident doing it in here because it's I don't have a big space and okay, gotta break a few eggs. Oh my God, come on. I am not strong anymore. Let's see if we can use some tools to get that off of there. Okay, I'm trying to just get off the circuit board. I did. Okay, so is there another one? What the heck is on there? There's another thing on there. Okay, we're getting there. Wow. Yeah, we're harvesting all this. Yeah, this has a lot of cool stuff in it. So this is the little thing that turns the tray around. It always has this fan, and you can see the copper wire around it. So you could use that for making Tesla coils. Take that off of there, because I don't know what you'd use it. So these have a lot of really good stuff. I don't know why people throw these out. It has a lot of really good stuff. So let's see if we can get. Okay, it's there. Okay, I'm really freeing it up. Okay, it's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. Let's just. This video's gone on too long. Oh, I just broke a bunch of stuff. This video is going on too long. It's just, this doesn't matter. These don't matter. These are just wires. Okay, sorry that it's gone on too long. I rambled about some other stuff. But, yeah, let's see here. Okay, where is this going to? What is this going to? Okay, so, let's see. We got that out. There's that. This, we do. Well, oh, there's a little light in there, like a incandescent light. Well, this has the stuff, you guys. This has the stuff. Okay, so I'm sorry this video's gone on so long. It didn't help that I rambled. It didn't help that I rambled. Okay. Yeah, they got. Okay, so there's that. Oh, yeah, that thing's always on the magnetron. So let's get this off. Let's get this off. And is that going to work? Yep, Phillips on the magnetron. And a light there. Let's wrap it up, and then we'll do a part 2. And I want to test it because I could go outside and bring a bar outlet. So, yeah, just skip ahead on these or just put it on fast forward. And you can get to... And I'll try not to ramble, but I try to update you guys on my other stuff that I want to do. But, yeah, I try to... I mean, I should make it more fast, you know, just fast as like this is. But I'm like, a lot of these projects occupy my mind. I just think, oh yeah. Okay, yeah. So there's another one of those things down there. Wow. Okay, here we got magnetron, and let's try to get those off of there. And it's these heat things. What are those called, you guys? I should know this. But they're not really popular. They're not really popular at all. Here, I'll show you a quick... Oh, come on. Oh, damn it. Okay. Okay, what it's still holding on to this. Yeah, it's these... let's get... Could we get closer? Yeah, it's these. Wait, I could do this. Oh wow, I got it balanced. It's probably gonna fall. Okay, so no, I should have a better attitude. Okay, so yeah, so we got, there is the high voltage diode. Right there, grounding it, and then let's see, there's the, okay, so there's the heater wire. Yeah, it's just a couple loops on that to make the heater wire. There's the high voltage coming off of there into that one. And then here's the magnetron. Look how clean that is. Guys, you could eat off that. Jeez, that's crazy. God, did they even use this microwave? It probably was in some old lady's house. They burned it out because, like I said, it wasn't working. Okay, we got to wrap this up under 30 minutes. Yeah, this thing is, there's 2 of those, and then there's a small circuit board there, and there's the fan here. Thank you for watching. We'll do another part. Yeah, and I'll try to make the videos faster and not ramble as much. We'll get there eventually, you know. Okay, so thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll test this out. we'll test these out with the high voltage probe and do that outside. Thanks for watching and have a great day, and hopefully I'll pass my inspection on the house.